Project Plex. Project Plex. Sounds like that movie. Project Power. Project Power with Jamie... Who's in that? Jamie Oliver. Not Jamie Oliver. Jamie Oliver's that British chef. Jamie Foxx. Good movie. Danish Leather. Project Plex. Let's get into it. Hello friends, welcome back to the studio. In this video, I'm going to be making Project Plex, originally designed from Danish Leather on Instagram. He's running a challenge right now. You can get his plans for free. Download them, make his wallet, post a picture, hashtag him. You get entered into a chance to win the original Plex wallet prototype, 1 square foot of Oliver & Sully in cream, and a spool of natural ramie thread. Ramie thread. Very simple project. Looks simple. I've never made this before. It's not my design, so this will be fun. 2 pieces, inside panel, outside panel. Outside panel, we're going with navy Butero, classic. Interior panel, natural Pueblo, and Masai thread in Serenity. I think that would be a nice combination. So I'm going to make this wallet, and then whoever wants to purchase this wallet, I'm going to donate 100% of the proceeds to my fundraiser for Project Rescue Children. Last year I was able to sponsor 2 kids overseas that gets them food, 2 meals every day. I think it's 2 meals every day, water, and school supplies, healthcare. It's a great cause. So all the funds from this wallet are going to that cause. I almost forgot. So Danish is going to be posting all of the wallets made for this contest. Go over to his Instagram page, vote for my design, because what I'm going to do, if I win, I'm going to use the leather and the thread to make 2 more wallets, my designs, and I'm going to donate the proceeds raised from the sale of those wallets to Project Rescue Children. So it's all for a good cause. It's all getting paid forward. So get over there, follow him, follow me, vote in his contest. I think it's starting Thursday, 20th, 20 something. Get over there, vote. Let's make this wallet. So I realized by the time I'm posting this, his contest is probably going to be up to vote. So go over there now, because it's probably started today. Okay, friends, there it is. It's my entry for the Project Plex Challenge from Danish Leather on Instagram. Vote for this design. I'll get some free leather. I'll get some thread. I'm going to make more wallets. From that, donate all the funds raised from the sale of those wallets and this wallet to my fundraiser. It's all going to a good cause. We're going to pay it all forward. Thanks for watching. Again, Danish Leather Design on Instagram and YouTube. Go give that channel some love, and we're going to see you in the next one. Thanks, friends.